Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open some kind of music application on our phone. It can be Spotify, Tidal, YouTube, whatever you like. I'm gonna open YouTube like this, and I have a playlist right here. Now, to control the music on your watch, or rather with your watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the option called Music and tap on it to enter. And here we can control the music on our phone with the watch. To do it, simply start playing the music on your phone. The watch should detect that you're playing the music. Let's try again. Let's reopen the widget, and this time it worked. As you can see, the watch detected that we're playing the music, and we can pause it, play it by tapping on play and pause button like this. We have a progression bar around the button to tell you how far through the song you are. Also, you can tap on the next and previous buttons to go next to the next song and to the previous song. And you can also adjust the sound volume by tapping on the speaker icon right here. And you can tap on plus and minus icons to adjust the volume. And once you're done controlling the music, you can simply press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.